White, male, 34 years old. Date of birth April 26, 1979. Height 5 feet, 9 inches. Weight 250 lbs. Brown hair, brown eyes. Male suspect has 4 moles on face, 2 by left eye, 1 right cheek, 1 left side of chin, and tattoos on forearms. Androsa Herrera, white female, 29 years old. Date of birth January 23, 1984. Height 5 feet, 9 inches. Weight 250 lbs. Brown hair, brown eyes. The suspect started driving in dark, 1999. Dodge Durango within Illinois. License plate number of P914631. The suspect was last heard from Eagle Pass, Texas. Law enforcement officials believe this child to be in grave or immediate danger. If you have any information regarding this abduction, call the Homeland Security Investigation Unit at 830-776-3660. News media points of contact is Homeland Security Investigation Public Information Officer at 210-889-5204.
Take